Hello! Today we're going to show you how to operate sensors with a smartphone and the Vega Tools app. Simple and easy, without cables or laptop. As product manager for digital solutions and services, you're showing us today how the Vega Tools app makes setup and diagnostics easier.
Exactly. Sensor operation with a smartphone or a tablet makes the work with the sensor a lot easier, especially when it's hard to reach. For example, the user no longer has to climb to the top of high tanks to access the sensor. This is safer and, in bad weather conditions such as rain and wind, much more convenient. This works from a distance of up to 50 meters.
Can all Vega sensors be operated with the Vega Tools app?
Yes, let's have a look at the different options. All sensors from 2002 onwards can be retrofitted with a Blixcom with Bluetooth, or they have the wireless operation already built in.
And what are the functions included in the Vega Tools app?
Let's start with setup and commissioning. If I would set up a sensor the traditional way with Packware, I would connect it with a cable to a laptop and have to install the appropriate device drivers. With the Vega Tools app, I don't need any cables and the drivers are already installed. The app shows the sensors in the area. After selecting one sensor, you have to enter the corresponding sensor pin. Only then you can access the sensor.
Where can I find the pin when I need it for the first setup?
In case of sensors with Bluetooth already built in, you will find it on the type label. In case of sensors with Blixcom, we have to enable adjustment on the sensor first. To do this, we navigate to the following position in the menu: Extended Adjustment, Setup, Lock Adjustment, and change the factory set pin to an individual pin, and unlock the sensor with a new pin. Now I can connect to the Vega Tools app. To put the sensor into operation, we switch to the Setup menu, which allows us to carry out necessary settings, min-max adjustments, for example. If the measured value is not to be output in meters, but in liters or tons, this can be changed via scaling.
Are there any pre-settings that simplify setup and commissioning for the user?
Yes. In the application menu, you can choose, for example, between storage tank, stirrer and dosing vessel, and water level gauging. Here, based on our experience, important parameters are already predefined. If, for example, the level changes only slowly and the sensor is set to be less sensitive, in the case of river level measurement, where there are wave formation, the echo curve is already smoothened, so to speak. You can also use the app to start a simulation to test, for example, if your pump is switching on and off according to the measured value.
Setup and commissioning would then be finished. What options do I have when the sensor is in actual operation?
If you are connected to the sensor, you can see the current measured value and the device status. For analysis purposes, you can display the event memory or, in case of radar sensors, the echo curve.
Is that all the app has to offer?
No, not at all. Via the serial number of the sensor, you can quickly find the most important documents: operating instructions, corresponding certificates, information on the software version, list of all sensor features.
Depending on where the sensor is used, regular proof tests have to be carried out. For example, with the Vega Swing in seal applications. Does the app offer any advantages here?
Here we support customers with an assistant that helps them carry out the regular proof tests according to seal. Via the serial number, the app shows the user the appropriate test instructions step by step. The whole procedure is then documented in the form of a PDF test report.
And for which systems is the app available?
The app is available free of charge in the Apple App Store and in the Google Play Store. And even if there is no sensor nearby at the moment, you can test the app using the demo devices to get familiar with the functions.